some more.
Hello guys, welcome to Abhi Tutors. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this cool frisbee. It also flies really fast. So do you want to know how to make this? Let's get started. For this you need 4 sheets of paper, okay? So we are going to fold the 4 sheets something like this. So I will teach you how to do that first. Fold it into a half, alright? Now open it. You see this point, we are going to fold this point till down, okay? Now unfold it. We are going to fold one from here to here. Now major problem in this origami is that when you fold, it is gonna separate from 2. Okay, so like this, separate from 2. So what you are gonna do is you are gonna hold it both and we are gonna fold it. So that prevents from double folds, wrong folds. Alright. Now we are gonna open it. We are gonna fold this again. Now we are gonna take this bottom to top like that. Crease it. We are gonna crease the folds again. Now we are gonna take this bottom till this line. Just fold it. Now important thing here is that you need to fold this part into the opposite side. Now we are gonna fold it into another half, okay? So important part is that if you are folding like this part is gonna slide upwards. So we don't want that to happen. So that's why we are folding this. And now we are going to align it slowly. Okay, just keep in mind that this should be in a same way. Alright, just crease it once. Now open these flaps. Now what we are going to do is we are going to fold this point till the center. Like that. Now keep one thing in mind, that all the lines should be equal. Not like one should be up and one should be down. Crease it. Now we are going to do the same with the other side. Just bring it a bit forward. Now crease it. Next step, we are going to fold the both. Now we need to make a fold like this, parallel with this line. Crease it like that. Now open it. Do the same on the other side. Crease it. Open it. Now we are gonna do the fold from this point till this point. Like that. Okay? Like that. Open it. Now do the same fold on the opposite side. open the whole thing. Now fold it into half. Now from this point, okay, just let me crease it and show you. From this point we are going to do a fold till this point, like this fold. Just hold it and fold it. Now open it. So here we have made the same thing. We have to do with two opposite colors. Alright, like that, 4 of them. So now take one flap, one yellow and one orange. Now you see the first fold we made, this one also. So we are gonna insert the yellow into the orange. Alright, and make sure that this point touches the center of yellow. Just slide it, and we are gonna align the top point till there. We just slide it. Now if you see, if we fold it, it's gonna be easy as we had made the same folds. Keep it aside. Just press it once. Keep it aside. Now we are gonna do the same thing with the other one. There. Just a second. Just press it. Now we are gonna join these. This time we are gonna put orange inside and yellow outside. Inside. First put one of them inside. Align them like that. Now push the other one also inside. Like that. Now just fold it once like this. Remember one thing, that the folds should not come out like that. You need to make sure of that. Now next step is the two folds, two flaps. We are gonna fold a triangle. See, like that. We are gonna do the same on this side. Okay, open them. Now fold it up, the two flaps. Like that. Fold those again. Now we are gonna insert this flap inside. We are gonna keep it like that, but we are gonna insert this flap inside. Just let me do that. We are gonna fold it this side, turn it, just press it, Now we are going to fold this part also inside. Just rotate and fold it inside. Alright, now we are going to take it back again to here. Now we are going to fold another time one more part inside. So the easiest way is to rotate and push it inside. Okay. So after doing that, what you need to do is pinch two corners and we are going to fold it like this. Repeat on all sides. Alright. Just press them from the inside. Like that. Now if you are bringing the corners near, it's gonna divide. Now we are gonna slowly press it. Slowly bring it near. Just takes a bit. There. This one you need to fold. Fold one at a time. And at last, when we have done it, just push it from all the sides. Like that. Now we are gonna fold these flaps inside. We are gonna pull it and fold the flaps inside. So here I have completed it. So here we have made the frisbee. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe and don't forget to share.